bankofamerica.com online banking. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can log in or maybe sign up for online banking on Bank of America, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, in order to use Bank of America online banking, you have to go to bankofamerica.com. Now you'll find this type of little interface here, so you can just tap on the login option from the top right hand side of the screen here. You can choose to continue to log in with the app instead of the website as well, or you can just use the website version if that is what is comfortable for you. Now if you have your online banking details, you need to make sure to enter your username and your password, and just make sure to go ahead and then log in accordingly in this case, right? So just load it up successfully like this, and once you've done, enter your user ID and your password, then tap the login option to log into your online banking account over here. Otherwise, what you can basically do over here is as well, you can just tap on this little option, and then you can also tap on the forgot password option if you happen to forgot it. If you want to enroll for online banking, you can tap on the enroll button to do so. This way you'll be able to get into Bank of America online banking. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.